So today we're out in the kitchen garden and we're doing a little bit of harvesting in here. The whole family got out in here, and so we've been harvesting a lot of little tomatoes, tiny Texas tiny tomatoes. What else we've been harvesting?
Patio sunshine.
Patio sunshine tomatoes, some cucumbers,
yeah.
Pickling cucumbers, which we've made quite a bit. But it's time for some of this stuff to get out of here because we're in the dead heat of summer and we want some fresh growth. So we're gonna pull some stuff out and replant some tomatoes and maybe some cucumbers later and a couple other things, but there's things that definitely need to come out here. I know we didn't show a lot of the progress here, but we did start off late, but we have been harvesting. As you can see, where's our basket there?
It's been daily harvest of tomatoes.
Yep, Angelina's got the basket there. We got some bell peppers, some sugar baby melons, bunch of tomatoes, and some peppers in there. So it's definitely exciting that we've been able to come out here and harvest quite a bit. Everybody enjoys it, everybody loves it. We have some basil, some mint that we've been harvesting as well. But definitely one of the things that needs to come out is the cucumbers. We're gonna pull this out and plant some new tomatoes in there. And then we're gonna see how these tomatoes over here are doing. Probably possibly pull those out as well because we want, again, some fresh stuff. But it's been good, huh?
It's been really nice. We will be doing cucumbers again, not on this video. We're probably gonna do them on this time around by the fence.
We're gonna try to put something down along the fence here and have them just climb up there.
Reason being is because in this section right here, it was keeping the sun away from those tomatoes on that side.
Yep.
When they were small though.
Yep.
So, yeah, so what, we'll be planting them here, the new ones?
Yep, so we're gonna go ahead and start tearing this out. All right, so we just got done ripping up the cucumbers from the bed here. We had some tomatoes over there, and we both decided, what, just take them out and start fresh?
Take them out, yeah. They were looking beautiful, but not producing.
Yeah, so they're not producing. So the one thing that, you know, from speaking to a lot of people here is that smaller tomatoes do well right now in the heat. So we're gonna get some actual tomatoes that are called Heat Master that are gonna do well in this heat. And then next year, when we plant in here, we'll do our bigger tomatoes. We'll plant them almost a month to 2 months earlier than we did this year because, again, it does get hotter here. We don't get a freeze, so we can actually do that here.
Yeah, those were all big size tomatoes. Yeah, they were steak tomatoes. Is that what they were?
Yep.
Yeah.
So learning our lessons here, learning what to do here. So right now we're just revitalizing the bed with some biotone, and we're gonna put some, what did I say, garden tone in here as well to revitalize
go ahead and
the nutrients in the soil here. Then we'll plant those tomatoes.
I can't see.
Yeah.
I have sweat in my eyes.
It's crazy.
So, the kids took off indoors it is hot.
Yeah.
I think we've been out here all morning.
It's supposed to reach 100 today, huh?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna say yeah, because it was it said it was supposed to, you know.
Yeah.
We know it's August. Let's just say that. August started
94 right now.
August came.
Yeah.
August said hello, like since yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, yesterday was the first, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So definitely hot. But we're feeling really, really good, really happy,
Yeah.
and excited because this time we have a longer growing season and we're able to do it all again.
Yeah, we'll be able to harvest in fall, and this is the perfect time to start planting any new fall vegetables. Tomatoes, I think July 15th to August 12th, something like that.
Yeah.
Best time to start planting new seedlings and things like that. So we're off to a great start for fall, and then of course we'll continue again for spring. I heard a little secret from somebody. I might be doing seedlings for tomatoes like at the end of November, maybe December.
Yeah.
I mean, it just doesn't get cold here, and that's a lesson learned right now.
Start early.
Start early.
Start
Yeah.
early here in Texas, and especially here in San Antonio. It's super hot.
Yeah, but by the time these tomatoes started flowering, it was way too hot, so they weren't even going to produce. So we did get, like I said, we did get some harvest. The smaller tomatoes are obviously going to produce.
They're doing amazing
in the
right
heat.
now.
Those are going to
Yeah.
do great. So we had plenty of harvest from that. But
So we're still leaving a lot of the small tomatoes, like the tiny, the Texas Tiny, and I forget the other one.
Sun Glow and Petal Sunshine.
Yeah, that one. And
The-
I know we're waiting for one more. It hasn't produced yet.
I'm trying to remember which one. Bellini,
They're
yeah.
called Bellini. So I'm still waiting on those. And I did plant one very, very late. It's called an accordion tomato.
Yeah.
We might.
That one will definitely produce because we did that
See
from
something
seed.
great.
So it's going to start coming into flower probably next month sometime.
Yeah.
So the heat will start to kick down a little bit, and as the heat, as it starts to cool down, they'll start to produce more
Because that's a
flower
big
and
guy.
fruit. But yeah, definitely excited to do these.
So we're just gonna go ahead and water right now. Water
Yeah.
in, and then as it gets later today, the sun comes down, temperatures come down. We're just gonna come out here and take down other parts of the garden so we have room to do something else. Like watermelon, definitely we have to remove some of those. The cucumbers, I don't know if we're gonna do it today, but definitely that's next. We're gonna do cucumbers again. We're just gonna probably put them by the fence this time.
Yep.
That's really it for now, and then we're gonna figure out what else we will be bringing in for fall.
Yeah, definitely, because we want to continue growing here. Obviously, we have a longer growing season, so it's going to be fun to grow some fall stuff in here as well. Kids enjoyed it. They always enjoy coming out here into the kitchen garden.
Yeah.
We went ahead and fixed the drip line so we can get those watered, but right now we're going to water by hand because I don't want to turn the drip for everything in here.
Yeah.
But that's
so
really it.
drip is very important. I want to tell you guys it helps a lot, especially around this time of year when it's very, very hot in summer. So that's been helping us tremendously.
Definitely been helping. As you can see, it's super hot. We don't want to be out here watering all day because it just gets crazy.
Yeah.
But got anything else?
No, I'm just gonna get going with the watering, and we're gonna head in and take a break.
Yeah. So that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Shabba dooby dooby dabba da 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 dooby dooby.